Before you get started, I suggest you to turn on captions or subtitles if you find trouble with my accent. English is my second language. Generally, for students from countries where English is not the first language, won't find any trouble understanding my accent. But if you are from native English speaking countries, then I suggest you to turn on caption at least for first few lectures until you get comfortable with my accent. You can also increase or decrease the video speed according to your needs. Also, if you wish to download any slides used in any of the videos, you can download it by joining our private FB group. All the slides are shared in the group, so you can get use of it. Also, you can ask questions there. In this video, we will see about keyword researching. We will see what is a keyword, what is a search intent, what are the search engine operators. Okay. Now we will see what is a keyword. A keyword is a term or a phrase which someone uses to find or search something online in any search engines. Google or Bing or Yahoo. Example of the keyword: ball, cricket ball, cheap place to buy cricket ball. These are some of the examples. Now, what is a search intent? Search intent is a term used to describe the purpose of the online search. It's the reason why someone uses a specific search. For example, the ball, the search intent of the ball is not very clear because we don't know why the user is searching the ball. Is it to buy the ball or to know information about the ball? Cricket ball also, the search intent is not clear. Cheap place to buy cricket ball, the search intent is very clear because the user is trying to buy the cricket ball. Also, if someone is typing online calculator, the search results should show a web page where there is a calculator so that the user can use the calculator. Someone type book movie ticket online, the search result should show the websites where the users can book the tickets. Now we will see the type of keywords. The ball keyword is a shorted keyword. This is usually the worst or very hard keywords to target because the search intent is not clear. Also, it is best to avoid targeting these keywords. Number 2, body or middle keywords. Example, the cricket ball. These are usually good keywords to target if your website already has some authority. For example, if your DA is 20 or above, you can target these keywords. It has medium competitions. Long tail keyword. Example, cheap place to buy cricket ball. These are the best keyword to target until your site gets some authority. These keywords have very low competition. Okay, now we will see what is search operators. So these are the search operators for Google. Now I am going to Google. Okay, here I am going to search site Amazon.com. It will show the results only from the sites of Amazon.com. You can see here all the sites will be Amazon.com. And I am going to use the search operator in URL. What this search operator will do is, in URL it should have, in URL I am going to type car. See, all the URL will have a car in it. Okay, another search operator, all in title, all in text, file type. We will see this. Okay, I am going to type all in title, car cleaning. This will show the search results where car cleaning will be in the title. Here, car cleaning. Now all in text. This search results will show the website should have car cleaning in its body. I mean, this page, this website should have car cleaning in it. Then it will show the result like this, car cleaning. And file type, I am going to search engineering guide. It will return a document. If you click this, it will download a document. see so this way you can search any files, or I'm going to search PDF, make money. Okay, see, all the result will have a PDF. You can easily click it to download. Now again, file type PDF site.edu. It will show all the PDF from .education sites. Like this, you can use this search operator for advanced search results. Okay, now I'm going back. Now we will see the step involved in keyword research. Building a keyword list, qualify the keywords, prioritize the keywords based on the competition, and at last you need to choose 2 or 3. You can also choose 1 if the search volume is good. Okay, now how we will evaluate the keyword is based upon 2 things: SEO monetization opportunity and competition. If the competition is less and the keyword is monetized, then it is a very good keyword. If the competition is very hard or the keyword is not monetized, then it's a bad keyword. If the competition is hard and the keyword is not monetized, then it's worst keyword to target. Now, what is SEO monetization opportunity? If you in the end of the keyword research you got a keyword, for example, you got a keyword like online calculator. It have opportunity. For example, if your site has calculator and you put AdSense on it, it have opportunity. If the keyword doesn't have any monetization opportunity, then it is worse to target those keywords. The keyword should have any of these 3 types. For example, if you're selling a product or services, or if you're doing affiliate marketing or content ads, if your website is having any tools, or if your website has informational articles, then it's best to have AdSense. These are some of the keyword research tools that you can use. I personally use Ubersuggest, Answer the Public, Scrapbox, and Keyword Finder. So SEO competition, we can use keywordfinder.com to find whether it is low competition or mid competition or it has high competition. Now I will show you practically how you can do a keyword research. Now in Ubersuggest, I am going to type cricket ball. This is my seed keyword. Okay, here you will see SEO difficulty is 51, paid difficulty is 91. Now just click keyword ideas, and in filters, search volume minimum is 100, and SEO difficulty maximum 25, pay difficulty 25. Okay, just click apply. Okay, here you got 4 keywords. That is now very easy to target. See, this volume of the keyword is 1000 and 390, 390, 390. Now I'm going to just select this keyword, cricket ball vest, and I'm going to search in Google. If you have informational articles, you can overcome. What you have to do now is just all in title. See, the DA of these domains is very low. DA is 9, 5. You can easily overcome these keywords. Also see, the number of words in this website is 1000. If you write an article for at least 2000 words, you can easily outrank this website. Okay, now you get an idea of how to do a keyword research.